Happy Monday from Långsjön, this beautiful natural lake in Stockholm. Actually, it's divided between two municipalities, Stockholm and Huringe on the other side. But right now I'm on the Stockholm side and I found one interesting place here that stretches along the lake, and it's a beautiful, nice jetty in the nature. And from home to here it took me 7 kilometers, so very quickly I came here. And yes, so Långsjön is one of my closest lakes to my home. To the very beginning of the lake I have only 5 kilometers, so very convenient to get to. So 20th of May, today is today, and we have currently 15 degrees Celsius in the air and the same amount of temperature in the lake, 15 degrees Celsius, I just measured. So it's a bit colder and chillier than yesterday, but still, because it's not so much windy, it is quite nice for a swim that I'm gonna do in a bit. The lake looks amazing and majestic, so it's really inviting for a swim right now. Beautiful. And yes, it is time for beach day number 41 on my Sweden beach adventures this year. It's amazing, really amazing. So then let's get ready for a swim in this beautiful natural lake. All right. Indeed. Okay, the jetty is a bit unstable, but I can see the bottom here as well, so it's not that deep here, but we're gonna take it, go for a swim out there. Look at the beautiful nature. And yes, Långsjön Lake, it's very close to Älvsjö, which is one of the main stations on the Pendeltåg train system in Stockholm, public transport. All right, then yes, on this semi-cloudy, semi-sunny day, let's see if we're gonna have some sun also, but let's then go for a swim. All right, I'm standing in right here and ready to take for a dip. Let's go. Amazing. It's beautiful. It's nice. Look at all those houses that are right on the lake. They must be so lucky that they can just get up and then go directly into the lake. I really need to buy such houses, but those are super expensive. Maybe in future, sometime. And if I live by the lake, then I wouldn't have the, how to say, the energy to go to cycle to other beautiful places. So I think it's good to live close by to lakes and sea, so you can explore as many as possible with your bicycle. Indeed. Cool. Then that's a wrap from this interesting little place and jetty here in Långsjön Lake in the Älvsjö area. Actually fairly close to Huringe also. That's not so far away neighborhood. So thank you so much for watching this episode, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.